What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another highly combustible reaction. Towns Van Zandt with the Marie. Let's jump in, check it out together, see what we got. Get over and show Kingston 1201, All the Love of the World, the original poster. Go show Towns Van Zandt the love, see what we got. Already sounds kind of harrowing.
Stood in line and left my name. Took about 6 hours or so. Man just grinned like it was all a game. Said they'd let me know. I'll put in my time till the Pocono line shut down 2 years ago. I was staying at the mission till I met Marie. I can't stay there no more.
I feel like it's already starting off pretty tragic. Feel like the way that the mood of the song is going and the tone of the song, I feel like it's going to be some kind of a rough story. Let's just see where it takes us. Obviously, we're standing in line. I'm assuming waiting because everybody else is waiting in the line looking for work. Or maybe the unemployment line. Said he worked on the Pocono line. I'm assuming it's the railroad until it's shut down. Living at the mission, so homelessness.
Well, I fell across town city looking for a man. Move some old cars around. Maybe me and Marie could find a burned out van and do a little settling down. But I'm just dreaming, I ain't got no ride, and the junkyard's a pretty good ways. The job's about a half week old, besides, be gone anyway.
Can't catch a break.
Unemployment says I got no more checks. They showed me to the hall.
Yeah, I feel like it's just gonna keep going down. A lot of people out there just can't catch a break, can't get the opportunity to get back ahead. It ain't their fault. It's the
My brother died in Georgia some time ago. I got no one left to call. Well, summer wasn't bad below the bridge, a little short on food, that's all. But now I gotta get Marie some kind of coat. We're headed down into fall.
freaking harrowing, man.
Used to play the mouth harp pretty good. Used to hustle up a little dough. I got drunk and I woke up rolled a couple of months ago.
We've had so many things that went wrong. My brother died. I ain't got no family to call for help. I used to play the mouth harp, but someone robbed me while I was drunk. About to buy my girl a coat, but we don't even have money for food. Down and out. I have been too down and out to the point where I couldn't even feed the missus. I know what this feels like. Where it feels like everything is against you in the entire universe.
Well, it got my harp and it got my dollar, them low-life so-and-sos. Harps cost money and I ain't got it. It's my own fault, I suppose. The Pocono's down, but the Chesapeake's running 2 freights every day. If it's just me, I'd be headed south, but Marie can't catch no train. There she got some pain and she thinks it's a baby. Says we gotta wait and see. In my heart I know it's a little boy. Hope we don't end up like me.
Ah!
Well, the man's still grinning, said he lost my file. I gotta stand in line again. kill him, but I just say no. I had enough of that line, my friend. I head back to the bridge, it's getting kind of cold. I'm feeling too low down to lie. Well, I guess I'll just tell Marie the truth. Hope she don't break down and cry.
Jesus Christ.
Well, Marie, she didn't wake up this morning. She didn't even try.
What?
She just rolled over and went to heaven. My little boy's safe inside. I laid him in the sun where somebody'd find him. Caught a Chesapeake on the fly. Oh, Marie, you'll know I'm headed south, so's to meet me by and by. Oh, Marie, you'll know I'm headed south, so's to meet me by and by.
Everything that could go wrong was wrong and did go wrong, and he's off to meet them in whatever afterlife. Good my God. I know it's a lot of people out there struggling, and this was gonna hit some people where it really does. It gets so damn overwhelming. You feel like you're gonna drown. You feel like you don't want to get out of bed. You just kind of want to roll over and die. Can't get into that point of finding comfort in the darkness. Sure, it's quiet, and when you're sleeping, you don't have to focus on all the things that are wrong, but you don't want to stay that way. You don't need to stay that way. This is damn heartbreaking. I don't even know when this one came out, but it's still heartbreaking to this day. I look around and I see this very thing. People that have just not been able to catch a break. And by no fault of their own. There's so many people here in my hometown that are living out of their cars because they can't afford a place to live, but they have a steady job. So they live in the car. People out there are doing whatever it takes to survive. Right now, it feels like everything is damn collapsing in. This was damn terrifying. That's what it was. Beautifully terrifying. Ounce of Zandt, get over and show them all the love of the world. Go show Kingston 1201 the love. That's hardcore. When did this come out? 15 years ago. I know this one's gonna hit hard for some people right now. Hit the like button if you liked it, the dislike button, but I won't believe you. Tell the next one about the Combustible. You guys be happy, healthy, safe. I love you to the moon and back. Peace.